Decision by the Supreme Court in Kenya to nullify the country's presidential election results has drawn reactions from around the world. Ambassadors to Kenya from 24 nations said it shows the country's resilient democracy. The United Nations also weighed in on the importance of respecting the rule of the court. Our UN correspondent CGTN's Liling reports.
The historic decision by Kenya's Supreme Court to nullify the re-election results may have done more than void President Uhuru Kenyatta's win on allegations of voting irregularities and thrust the nation back into political chaos. For many international observers, it signals an unprecedented development that demonstrated the country's respect for the rule of law. Now, envoys from 23 different countries and the European Union had issued a joint statement saying the court's independent review demonstrated the strength of Kenya's democracy and commitment to the rule of law, and they praised Kenyans for allowing the legal case to run its course. The diplomats also urged everyone to work toward ensuring the next presidential election is credible, fair and peaceful, saying that this is an example for Africa and the world. Now, the tone from the UN's response was more cautious. An emailed statement said that the Secretary General's position has been that parties should take their grievances to court and respect the court's decisions, which both Jubilee and NASA have demonstrated today. Secretary General Antonio Guterres also again called on all political leaders and their supporters to respect and abide by the ruling. Now, while the tones may be different, what is clear is that this is an unprecedented time in Kenya's history and that of the continent. And with new elections to be held within 60 days, eyes around the world will be closely watching developments in the next few weeks to see how significant of a turning point this could be for Kenya and for Africa. Liling, CGTN, New York.